Question 34, find first and last position of element in sorted array. So let's go ahead and learn and code together. In this question, we are given an integer array called nums and a target that is an integer value, and we are tasked with finding the first and last instance of the target within nums. And if there is no instance, then we're just tasked with returning -1, -1 as our result. So to solve this problem, we are simply going to do a left and right pointer. So let's go ahead and get into the code. So first off, we're going to initialize our pointers. So our left pointer is going to start at the position 0 index. And then our right pointer is going to start at the end of the array. So we'll say length of nums -1. And then we're going to initialize our answer value, which is just going to be an empty array. And then we're going to do 2 while loops for this because we want to move our right pointer until we have found the target, and then we want to stop moving our right pointer, and same with the left pointer. So what it will look like is we'll say while right is greater than or equal to 0 if nums right equals target, then simply we're going to insert at the end of the array. Actually, we can just go ahead and append since there will be nothing in the array yet. So we'll say append right. And then if we do find our nums, we're just going to break this. Or if we do find our target, we're just going to break this loop, or this while loop. And then if we don't find it, we're going to decrease the value of our right pointer. And similarly for our left pointer, we're going to say while left is less than or equal to right. Then we're going to check again, see if we have found our target. If so, we'll just go ahead and append. Actually, we're going to insert this at the, it should be append. We'll say append, and we'll say left. And then we'll break it if we found our target, and if not, similarly, we will increase our left pointer value. And at the end, because we have this case of returning -1, -1 if we have not found the value, our target value, then we need to account for that. So we'll say return answer if the length of answer is not equal to 2, or is equal to 2. And then otherwise, we're just going to return -1, -1 because we know we have not found our target. So let's go ahead and run this. Let's see here. Okay, so we need to go ahead and we'll insert this at the first position. There we go. That should work. Awesome. So let's go ahead and make sure it works for all of our test cases. And it does. Awesome. We get a great runtime. So that is my solution for question 34, I believe. Yep, question 34, find first and last position of element in sorted array. Let me know if you guys liked my solution. If you did, go ahead and leave a like, comment, and subscribe. It's been a long time since I posted a video, but I should be able to post 2 a week. I'm going to try to post every Tuesday and Friday from here on out. So I will see you on Friday. Thank you guys, and have a good one.